Find your person.
Good job. Oh, where's the hoop? Where's the hoop? Good job, Georgia.
You did it. Nice try. Good job, Carly. Woo! There we go.
Oh. Put it back up, Red. Good job, Georgia. Keep going with her. Yes.
Get it, Maddie. Get it.
Yes. Woohoo! Woo! Put it back up. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, that was too bad. Gotta move to the ball. Come on, Red, get back, get back. Did they say blue ball?
On defense.
You're on defense. Don't let him get to the hoop. It's 12 to 14.
It's on 15.
Okay, girls. Between them and the hoop. Don't let him go to the hoop. Who's on the girl down there?
You got it, Sam. Get it. Help, help, help. Good job, Carly. Good. Rebound. Rebound.
Okay, let's make it now. 45 seconds. Pass it around. Yes. Oh, put it back up, Jenny. Get on her. Good job, Georgia. Oh my.
Nice job, though.
Good
Nice
job.
job.
Okay, put the pressure on.
It's on 15.